if we just take time 0, we just take time 0 and time 1, and we have a present value here and a future value here. So I'm starting at time 0 and I'm moving towards the future. That's the process of compounding. Okay, so and as an example of that, I could be maybe saving. I have a pot of money today and I want to save in a savings account or in a stock market account in order to buy a house in the future. So I'm compounding my money, I'm growing my money towards the future. And the opposite of compounding is going to be going backwards. So in this case, I am starting with a future value and I want to go back to time 0. I want to go back to my present value. This is the process of discounting. And as an example of that, perhaps we can think about what you require as a retirement pension pot. So if you've already estimated how much you want to have in the future when you want to retire, right, you estimate that future pot of money and then you discount that back to today to find out how much you need to save today in order to achieve your future goals, right? So compounding means going forward and discounting means going backward. So our basic formula here are to obtain the future value of an investment. We're going to take the present value, then we're going to compound as at 1 plus r to the power of t. Now this, of course, is assuming annual compounding. Okay, but it doesn't matter. And if we were discounting the future value because we wanted to obtain the present value, then we're going to take that future value, we're going to divide it by 1 plus r to the power of t. And again, that is going to be assuming annual compounding. Now, suppose that a question wanted me to do continuous compounding or continuous discounting. Well, you guessed it, we're going to be calling on our good old friend from the 1700s, Mr. Euler. Hello, Mr. Euler, how are you doing today? We need you again, so we're going to compound to the future value by taking the present value and then multiplying by Mr. Euler to the power of RT, right, where R is our continuously compounding risk-free rate and T is our time to maturity. And if I wanted to discount, I will take the future value and I will then multiply that by e to the power of minus RT.